Welcome to Neurolink meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, let your awareness soften like a gentle wave returning to the ocean. Feel the weight of your body, supported completely, held by the earth beneath you. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath, flowing in and flowing out without any effort. With each exhale, you release the day, the thoughts, the tension, letting it all dissolve into this moment. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with possibility. Exhale fully, surrendering to stillness. Now, bring your attention to the center of your chest, just behind your heart. Feel the warmth there, a quiet glow, a spark of life that has always been with you. This spark is your inner drive, your motivation, your deepest source of energy. And even if you haven't felt it fully lately, know that it is there, waiting, ready to be rekindled. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, imagine that spark beginning to glow brighter, like an ember catching the wind.
Now, I invite you to recall a time in your life when you felt deeply motivated, fully alive, completely driven. It could be a moment from your past, a memory of when you were in flow, when action felt effortless and joy was abundant. Let that memory come into focus now. See what you saw then. Feel the sounds that were present, the voices, the silence, the rhythm of your own breath, and most importantly, feel that feeling. Feel the surge of energy, the clarity of purpose, the unstoppable momentum. Let it wash over you as if it were happening right now, in this very moment. And as you hold that feeling, bring your thumb and forefinger together, gently, just like this. Press them together with a light, intentional touch. This touch becomes an anchor, a signal to your subconscious that this state of motivation is available to you always. Feel the connection between the pressure of your fingers and the feeling in your chest. They are linked now, forever. Release the touch and let the feeling settle deeper into your being. Know that you can return to this state anytime, simply by pressing your thumb and forefinger together. But for now, let it expand, let it grow, let it fill every cell of your body. Breathe in motivation, breathe out doubt, Breathe in drive. Breathe out hesitation. With each breath, your inner fire grows brighter, more stable, more powerful. Now, repeat these words silently in your mind, or let them echo through your being. I am a source of boundless energy. Feel the truth of these words resonating in your chest, your belly, your limbs. And as you continue to breathe, notice how your body responds. And as our fibertly frestiv constate the enstos de the fuller vibularity, your port, your make heart dusids, the sism stop up, just with mabba through your body. And as you sit in this state, let a vision arise. See yourself moving through your day, your week, your life, with this motivation alive in you. And this, the smile on your face, the lightness in your step, the clarity in your mind. Notice the smile on your face, the lightness in your step, the clarity in your mind. It is not a distant future. This is your present unfolding now. You are already the person who acts. You are already the person who achieves. You are already the person who achieves. You are already the person who inspires. And every step you take is guided by an inner compass of motivation and drive. Now, press your thumb and forefinger together once more, gently. Feel the anchor activate, flooding your body with that same feeling of motivation you accessed earlier. It is stronger now, deeper, more integrated. You can trust this anchor. You can use it anytime you need a boost of energy, a surge of drive. Release the touch and let the feeling remain a permanent part of your neurology. See your deeply, and as you exhale, let go of any remaining resistance. Motivation is your natural state. Drive is your birthright. Energy. Feel these words sinking into your subconscious, planting seeds that will bloom in your daily life. You will notice in the hours and days ahead how easily you move toward your goals. How naturally you choose action over procrastination. How effortlessly you find energy where there was once fatigue. This is the power of your subconscious, now reprogrammed for motivation. And as you sit here in this deep state of resourcefulness, know that you are complete. You lack nothing. You have everything you need within you. Your motivation is not something you must chase. It is something you already are. Shh. Now, take a final deep breath, filling your lungs with this energy. Hold it for a moment, letting it saturate every cell. And as you exhale, release any last tension, any last doubt, any last hesitation. You are free to be fully motivated. Shh. You are free to act with power. You are free to live with drive. Feel the ground beneath you, solid and supportive. Feel the air around you, crisp and alive. Feel the fire within you, burning bright and steady. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Joby wondered, Tay, each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again in stillness.